In this 5-minute video, brought to you by Tax Me and Pay Me, we'll highlight the changes to the Federal Tax Form 941, which the IRS updated in June 2021 to reflect provisions under the American Rescue Plan Act, or ARP. While the ARP extended many of the existing COVID-inspired credits and uses the same terminology, it tweaked how the credits are taxed and reported and added a few new benefits. Let's jump into the form. In general, Form 941 itself has 12 new lines, highlighted in red, updated line descriptions, and 5 new worksheets. Here's a side-by-side comparison between our software and the actual form. COVID-inspired data fields are highlighted in blue. For this video, we want to emphasize the following 5 key takeaways. For more in-depth coverage, check out our tax alert. 1. Taxpayers must use this version of Form 941 for the second through fourth quarters of 2021. 2. Leave non-applicable entries blank. 3. The form continues to use a confusing circular design. That is, Part 3 inputs flow to the supplemental worksheets, which flow back to Part 1 calculations. 4. COVID-inspired benefits were extended or improved. Sick and family leave credits were extended to October 1st, 2021, but are taxed differently. Before April 1st, 2021, they're taxed at 6.2%. Afterwards, they're taxed at 12.4%. The employee retention credit was extended to January 1st, 2022, with tweaks how the credit is offset. A new COBRA credit was created, which applies from April 1st, 2021 through September 30th, 2021. To handle the new complexity, there are 5 new worksheets, which apply to different quarters, different scenarios, which TaxMe software seamlessly auto-populates. 5. All other new data fields fall into 2 categories: calculated data fields and refundable, non-refundable credit split. To help explain these changes, I'm using our web-based e-file solution. To access it, go to the TaxMe website, www.tax-me.com. From here, click the blue e-file button and follow the 941 chain. The solution is simple to use and always free to try. First, click the appropriate quarter on top. Try TaxMe's optional facial recognition feature to further streamline the process. You can expand and collapse parts as necessary by just clicking on them. White fields require user input, while gray fields are automatically calculated by the software, including all of the new worksheets. Where helpful, we add explanatory comments. For illustration purposes, we populated our solution with some sample data. Click on the Validate Form button to check for errors. You'll need to fix them before proceeding. Once cleared, the part will reflect Complete in blue, and the Download button will activate. Click it to review the form and schedules and to save a copy. Make a mistake? No problem. Just go back into the form, correct the relevant section, revalidate, and re-download. Once satisfied, pay us to e-file it by adding your email, clicking I agree, the authorize and send button, and paying us using a credit card or PayPal. Receive a summarizing email immediately and the IRS acknowledgement typically within a couple hours and guaranteed within 24. Easy, accurate, secure. Here's a copy of our downloaded submission. The download first shows Form 8879 EMP, which authorizes the e-filing. Next, it has 941 and all its schedules, even non-applicable ones. Caution: this is an e-file copy for your files and cannot be mailed to the IRS. If you do, the IRS will reject it and require you to refile. After Form 941 itself is Schedule B, which was relevant for this example. Notice how the software adds your data in the correct spots. If Schedule B didn't apply, these fields will be blank. Finally, we print all 5 worksheets, which are designed to operate independently. Notice how the software auto-populates the calculated fields and, importantly, the refundable and non-refundable portions. Based on your inputs, our software knows which worksheet applies to your particular facts and automatically moves the relevant entries from the relevant worksheets back to the form. For example, Worksheet 1 flows to lines 11B and 13C, and Worksheet 3 flows to lines 11D and 13E. Thanks for watching this video about the June 2021 changes to Form 941 to reflect the ARP changes. If you need help filing, as Congress certainly didn't make this simple, please give us a try. Visit us at www.tax-me.com or www.paymellc.com. Please tell your friends and colleagues about our solution and stay safe. Thanks.